And my dear farmers, very launched our Star Farmer program last year. To the General Manager of British American Tobacco, Mr. Damien Bruty, the management and staff of British and American Tobacco, Fiji, to the partner farmers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavanaka, and very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, let me apologize. I didn't bring the rain with me. I think the rain was already here from Suva. It's a pleasure to be here this morning with all of you for the first annual Star Farmer Incentive Awards to recognize BAT Fiji farmers. Ladies and gentlemen, last year, the Honorable Prime Minister joined you all in launching the British American Tobacco's BAT Star Farmer Incentive Program, especially to encourage and recognize excuse me, the growing excellence of hundreds of farmers under this particular initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, now in the second year of the program, and having endured the adverse effects of a pandemic coupled with natural disasters, we are gathered again to create opportunities. Opportunities to continue upskilling our farmers, and opportunities to adopt to best practices, and opportunities to grow and trade more, and opportunities for greater yield and income. When we had virtually no tourists coming to Fiji, our economy was cushioned by Fiji's agriculture sector in 2021. Agricultural exports actually increased by 43.7% compared to 2019 to about $284.9 odd million. Ladies and gentlemen, these figures show us how you are contributing to the growth of the nation. And your government wants you to continue with your good work. It's part of our greater vision of a diversified economy, an economy that doesn't rely solely and wholly on one singular sector, an economy whose progress is fueled from the ground up. Ladies and gentlemen, in the past 2 years, we have seen significant growth in export of kava, in ginger, and in turmeric, amongst other spices. And compared to 2019, in 2021, the export of kava increased by 29% to $41.9 odd million. Turmeric by 254% to $23 million, while spices grew by 173% to $31.9 million. And besides our traditional crops, these are the potential crops that you could actually venture into during the off-season. And there are many other agro-products that will do well in the region, and such as pineapple and papaya and mangoes. And again, these are opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, the government also gave national recognition to farmers and their agricultural produce through the Fijian Made and By Fijian brand. And when you carry that Fijian Made brand, you carry with you the recognition of what Fijians are capable of, a mark of quality products and services that we offer to the world. So please reach out to the ministry and carry this and become part of this particular campaign. Today, we are recognizing 23 farmers with a Star Farmer Gold Award, and 92 best performing farmers will be awarded the Star Farmer Silver Award. So with this support, ladies and gentlemen, you can actually buy farm equipment and crop inputs worth $1,000 odd and $500 respectively. You, as cultivators of our land, have shown extraordinary determination to learn and to go far beyond simply growing tobacco. So this is an investment in you. And I'm proud to hear that 115 farmers, and not just men, but our women farmers too, are actually being awarded. It would be amiss if I didn't mention the important role that women continue to play in contributing to agriculture and to rural livelihood. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to commend British American Tobacco also for supporting our farmers for 67 years. And that's more than 6 decades, ladies and gentlemen, of support to the agriculture industry and support to the farmers to cultivate tobacco and other agricultural produce outside of the growing season. The farmers that have been supported by British American Tobacco, Fiji, you can actually maximize your returns. And this assistance starts from the state-of-the-art greenhouses located right here. And in these greenhouses, BAT Fiji is able to cultivate seedlings regardless of external weather conditions before they are actually handed over to our farmers. Ladies and gentlemen, this actually coupled with subsidies provided for land preparation and reduced cost of fertilizer and crop treatment chemicals gives farmers great opportunities. You can also benefit from the guaranteed market and the fixed price for your harvest, which gives you security. We take pride, ladies and gentlemen, in providing the right training and the right assistance to Fijians. Last Tuesday, I announced a new initiative for micro businesses called the Trade Enhancement Program. This program also is special because it's aimed at supporting new and existing businesses who have special trade or unique skills. And this support also is up to $500. And since the launch of the program, the ministry has received over 100 applications valued at about $159,000 already. And these come from different businesses like handicrafts, horticulture and floriculture, and also for bakery businesses. Ladies and gentlemen, over the years, the Fijian government has made great strides to empower Fijians who want to start their own businesses. That's why we provide targeted support and assistance. And that's why we have today a department dedicated to micro, small, and medium enterprises, which is called MSME Fiji. The MSME Fiji has a number of business training programs that actually guide you through the daily operation of your business and ensure that your business is actually sustainable and profitable. And through MSME Fiji, we are able to provide a range of services and such technical and financial assistance, advice, and training as you need. And for the sustainability of your businesses, we offer mentoring and guidance services focused on helping the smallest of businesses start and improve your existing businesses as a strategy for creating more and better employment. Additionally, ladies and gentlemen, there are other forms or models that you can actually choose or consider. And one such form is actually cooperatives. The foundation on which cooperatives are built includes self-help, self-responsibility, democracy, equality, equity, and solidarity. It is very close to our communal living and our way of life. People with similar ideas can pool their resources together and start a business through the cooperative model, and it gives each member ownership and responsibility in making that particular business a success. A perfect example, ladies and gentlemen, is a successful agriculture cooperative which is called Y Farmers Cooperative Limited in Ra. In order to further their business, these Y Farmer members were supported by a tractor that was given through the Integrated Human Resources Development Program. And they have been able to use a tractor on their farms and also hire it out to other farms when they're actually done. And the cooperative now has about $10,000 sitting in their bank account simply from doing that. This is just one example of how with the right support, you can unlock your potential by making strategic investments. Now back to today's event, ladies and gentlemen, the support that's been provided by British American Tobacco has enabled farmers' income to improve by about $1,000 per hectare on average in the last season. And these are successes that are worthy of mention. We look forward to many more such supply of chain partnerships that make the business successful from the source all the way to the final product, where the buyer has a distinct relationship with the suppliers of the raw materials, where the farmers actually understand the needs of the manufacturers and changing market trends. There is clear and easy flow of information, and most importantly, there is consistent supply to a guaranteed market. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all well, and I congratulate British American Tobacco for establishing the Star Farmer Incentive Program. And to the awardees and all the farmers, I congratulate you, and I wish you all the best in the next steps that you actually take. Thank you very much. Dhanbad and shukriya.
Of the Malawai sector. Please, could I have a round of applause for Mrs. Merleti? 18. Is awarded to Manoj Kumar of the Malawai sector. And finally, our first place Star Farmer Award for the Nandi area is awarded to Vinek Ram of the Mba sector. Mr. Ram scored outstandingly in all criteria for the Farmer Awards, including weed control, use of fertilizer and dose, as well as proper harvesting practice and zero vacancy.